Today's 3-minute home virtual tour is coming from western Las Vegas near Summerlin. This home is located off of Charleston Boulevard and Durango Drive in a community that features no HOA. Built in 1990, this 2-story home features 2,808 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This home features plantation shutters, 5-inch baseboards, and hardwood floors throughout all the common areas. The kitchen features an island with a gas stove and stainless steel appliances. The breakfast bar flows into the family room, creating an ideal situation for entertaining. This covered patio is facing north, which will provide extra shade during those hot summer days. And this lot is 8,712 square feet. There's additional space on the side to park an RV or a boat. This yard also has mature landscaping surrounding the heated in-ground pool and rock waterfall feature. This home has just been painted freshly with 2-tone paint, and you'll notice the layout includes a downstairs bedroom across from the laundry room and its own full bathroom. There's plenty of room for all the toys with this 3-car garage. And don't forget, there's also RV parking on the side. As we make our way into the master, you'll notice it has a vaulted ceiling and comes with a light and ceiling fan. Behind the television, you'll also notice this room has an extra room that has been added on top of the covered patio. This master bathroom features a separate shower, tub, dual vanity sink, with a huge walk-in closet and also a makeup counter. The upstairs features 3 bedrooms and there's a common full bathroom with a tub shower combo. This house is currently listed for $525,000 through Janice Cofield with Cofield Real Estate. If you have any questions about this home and would like some more information or to schedule a private showing, be sure to contact me today. I'd love to hear from you.